Welcome to day 4 of How I Mastered Advanced English in Just 5 Days. So far, we have covered 60% of our challenge where I am sharing with you every day 20 advanced English idioms, and our target is to master 100 advanced English idiom in just 5 days. And I'm sharing my secret tips and strategies with you so that you can also master them so fast and take your English to next level. So far we have covered day 1, day 2 and day 3. In case if you haven't watched that video till now, go and watch them too after this video, because 60% of our challenge lies there only. And here are today's 20 advanced English idioms. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel and share this video and this challenge to your friends as well. So without any further ado, let's quickly get the ball rolling. Here's our first idiom. Once in a blue moon. That means very rarely. यानी कि शायद ही कभी. For example, he visits us once in a blue moon. Break a leg. That means to wish someone good luck. For example, I know you will do great. Go and break a leg. Cold turkey. That means to quit something all of a sudden. यानी कि अचानक से कोई चीज बीच में छोड़ देना. He quit the job cold turkey. Go the extra mile. That means to do more than expected. यानी कि ज्यादा मेहनत करना और अपने आप को improve करना. She always goes the extra miles for her client. Bend over backwards. That means to try very hard to help something or someone. यानी कि एड़ी चोटी का जोर लगा देना. For example, she bent over backwards to treat her patients. By the book. That means to follow the rules strictly. यानी कि rules के मुताबिक काम करना. For example, in this company you have to go by the book. Blessing in disguise. That means something that was initially bad but it ends up being something positive or good for you. यानी कि कुछ ऐसा जो शुरू में तो बहुत बुरा था but वहीं से कुछ अच्छे की शुरुआत हो गई. Losing that job was a blessing in disguise for him. Call it a day. That's a formal way of saying let's stop working here. यानी कि आज के लिए बस इतना ही. For example, we have done enough. Let's call it a day. Cut to the chase. That means to come to the point. यानी कि मुद्दे पर आना. For example, don't beat around the bush. Cut to the chase. Easy does it. That means slow down and do it carefully. यानी कि थोड़ा आराम से carefully काम करो. For example, easy does it. The glass is fragile. Face the music. That means to face the consequences. यानी कि परिणाम को face करना. For example, she has to face the music for breaking the rules. Give the benefit of the doubt. That means to believe someone without proof. यानी कि कोई भी जो कुछ कह रहा है बस आंखें बंद करके उसकी बात पर वैसे ही भरोसा कर लेना. For example, this time I'm giving you the benefit of the doubt. In the same boat. That means to be in the same situation. यानी कि एक ही similar situation में होना. For example, they all are in the same boat during their exams. It takes two to tango. That means both people are equally responsible for something. यानी कि जैसे कहते हैं ना कि ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बजती, तो दोनों लोग जिम्मेदार बराबर होते हैं किसी भी प्रॉब्लम के लिए. For example, don't blame her like this. Remember, it always takes two to tango. Let sleeping dog lie. That means don't bring up old problems. यानी कि पुरानी बीती बातों को मत दोहराओ, especially जब कुछ negative हुआ हो. For example, I have told you time and again, don't bring old problems. Let the sleeping dog lie. To miss the boat. That means to miss an opportunity. यानी कि किसी मौके को गवा देना. For example, this time make sure to not miss the boat. No strings attached. That means something without any terms and conditions. यानी कि कोई भी ऐसी चीज जिसके पीछे कोई terms and conditions या rules and regulations नहीं है. For example, this is just a free sample. No strings attached. On thin ice. That means to be in a risky or dangerous situation. यानी कि किसी खतरे भरे परिस्थिति में होना. For example, he was on thin ice when he was caught red-handed. Out of the blue. That means unexpectedly. यानी कि अचानक से. For example, the problem came out of the blue. Pull yourselves together. That means to calm yourself down. Have a control on your emotions. ये हम तब इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब हमें किसी को शांत करना होता है, especially when they are getting carried away with their emotions. For example, pull yourself together. Don't cry like that. With that, we have so far covered 80 advanced English idioms in just 4 days, including today's video. How are you feeling right now? In case if you haven't watched day 1, day 2 and day 3 till now, go and watch them too. I'll share the link in description and in the end screen too. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel because tomorrow is going to be our day 5 of this channel, which is the final day. Just imagine by tomorrow you would have mastered 100 advanced English in just 5 days. And that will instantly change the way you communicate. Be ready for tomorrow's challenge as well. And today, let me know in the comments how's your progress going on and how many idioms do you still remember from our day 1, 2 and 3. Comment down and share this video with your friends and family to help them enrich their knowledge, to help them build their vocabulary and take the challenge as well. I'll see you tomorrow at 2 p.m. sharp with the final day of our Mastering Advanced English in Just 5 Day challenge. Don't forget to follow me on my other social media handles as well. I'll see you tomorrow at 2 p.m. Be ready for our last final challenge as well. Bye.